What if I told you that this week robots danced better than some humans, shrugged off physical attacks without flinching, and balanced on one leg like martial arts masters? Tesla's Optimus is grooving, Figure 02 is taking hits like a champ, and Unitree's G1 is performing stunts that defy belief. Welcome to the future. It's here, and it's moving fast. In just the past few days, we've witnessed breakthroughs in humanoid robotics that blur the line between science fiction and reality. These aren't isolated lab experiments, they're public demonstrations signaling a new era. If you're not paying attention, you're missing the dawn of a revolution. But here's the crazy part. Each of these robots showcases a different facet of human-like capability: coordination, resilience, and balance. Let's break down these jaw-dropping developments. Elon Musk's Tesla unveiled a new video of the Optimus robot dancing, highlighting its impressive joint capabilities. The robot's movements are fluid and coordinated, showcasing advancements in actuator design and control algorithms. Optimus is designed to handle tasks ranging from household chores to industrial applications. However, it's worth noting that some demonstrations have involved teleoperation, raising questions about the robot's current level of autonomy. If you think that's crazy, hold on to your seats. Figure AI has just released a video showing their Figure 02 robot taking direct physical hits without losing balance. In the demo, it's struck with a stick, but stays firmly upright, showcasing the impressive strength and responsiveness of its actuator motors.
We go from the back?
Yeah.
Figure 02 also features integrated cabling, a torso-mounted battery, and cutting-edge AI developed in collaboration with OpenAI. The robot's design includes 16 degrees of freedom in its hands and the ability to carry objects up to 25 kilograms, making it suitable for industrial applications. But here's the kicker. While Optimus dances and Figure 02 endures, another robot is mastering the art of balance in ways we've never seen. Love AI and humanoid robots? Hit subscribe and join the next-gen AI revolution. Unitree's G1 robot, an open-source humanoid, has demonstrated remarkable balancing abilities using the newly published HuB framework. This unified system enables humanoids to execute complex balancing tasks by integrating reference motion refinement, balance-aware policy learning, and sim-to-real robustness training. In various demonstrations, the G1 robot balances on one leg, performs high kicks, deep squats, and even mimics martial arts poses like Bruce Lee's iconic stance. These feats showcase the potential for humanoid robots to achieve human-like balance and agility. These developments aren't just impressive, they're indicative of a rapidly approaching future where humanoid robots are integrated into daily life. From entertainment to industry, the capabilities of robots like Optimus, Figure 02, and Unitree G1 are expanding the boundaries of what's possible. However, as we marvel at these advancements, it's crucial to consider the ethical and societal implications of increasingly human-like machines. So, what do you think? Are we on the brink of a robotic renaissance, or are we treading into uncharted and potentially perilous territory? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the ever-evolving world of AI and robotics.